In this example, I will show you how to use the selection modes. Okay then, let's start with the Envision mode. In fact, this mode means you select all the instances except the one that you first selected. Let's see how to work on it. But for that, instead of using the toolbar, I will use the right-click method as it is more practical. Right-click for Cubes 1. Choose the selection mode, then select Envision option. As you see, all the instances except for Cubes 1 are selected. Let's tab out. Now, right-click for Cubes 1 and select Selection Mode. Then choose Children. You see now, for Cubes 1 and all its children are selected this time. Tab out to deselect them. Now, select the first and the third occurrences of 4 cubes. Right-click them and select the Selection Mode. Then select Others. As you see, all notes are selected except the third and first occurrences. Let's tab out. Now, right-click for Cubes 1 and choose the Selection Mode. Then select All. You see now, all notes are selected this time.